Hello, welcome to Tuesday's tip from the workshop. Today we're going to talk about the center seam in the back of the guitar. Now you'll notice here there are a few things missing. Talk about this section first. I have a plate that goes across that I put my label on, and it's not a continued brace that goes from end to end. I get away with that because I do not have a decorative strip down the center of the backs of my guitars. I like to leave them natural. I think they look pretty good, just the natural wood. So I tend to not put a decorative strip, so that's that. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is a lot of times people like to have a strip of wood that goes the complete length and cut the little sections for the transverse braces to go across in the back, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not something that I do. It seems like an extra step in the building process that I'd never added into mine other than the very first guitars I built. So what I do is I fit little pieces in between the braces after the back is braced up. And doing that, you'll notice that the two braces on the ends are not attached. By not having those put in, it makes fitting the back to the side assembly considerably easier. And then later, take a strip left over from the original piece, and you cut little pieces to fit in. Let's see if that will stick. Yeah, there you go. Cut little pieces. Oh. Yeah, good. Well, not quite. But you get the idea that after the thing is glued to the back is glued to the side assemblies, you can add these little pieces on the end, and then you get those last little pieces to fit just perfectly, and I really believe you get a better fit than you would had you had the strip going the whole way. Now, if you're still married to having that pieces with going down the middle of the back, and you like to cut the little for the side, back braces, nothing wrong with that. I'm sure you have your reasons for doing it. Perhaps consider, even so, leaving one or both of the last little pieces off, because when you're fitting that back to the side assembly, it's one last element that you have to contend with, making that center seam fit between the blocks. Take that out of the equation, it makes it easier, and in the end you get a better fit because you can fit those pieces in after the, as I've said a few times, after the back is glued to the sides. Now how do we glue that into the, how do we clamp it? Just take the thing, put it in the go bar deck, and glue it with the go bars. So anyway, that's it. Be happy building guitars.